editors know writing craft. So, it's a two-way street. I'm saying writers should learn editing, but editors also have to know writing really well. And there's this, I think, this Stephen King quote, it's very funny. If you want to be a writer, you got to do two things, read a lot and write a lot. Like he's like, this is it. It's very simple, but I think it is the truth. And because you're already a writer, I just want to encourage you that you are primed to become a really great editor, and that's already there, waiting to be tackled, ready to be learned. So the next step then is to cultivate your editorial eye. And in order to do that, you have to read like an agent. And even though agents are fulfilling a very specific role in the publishing process, agents are all also editors. I don't know, most agents have a great editorial eye. Not all, but many of them. And so if you can shift your mindset to that of an editor from that of a writer, then you're also getting into the mind of an agent. It's kind of a bing, bang, bongo there. And let's talk about first, what do agents look for, which is probably like the perennial elephant in the room at all times. And you're thinking, she's an agent, and I'll try to give you an idea of what I think most agents are looking for, including myself. And one is that, and I was talking about this actually in class today with some students, that good writing is really the bottom floor of what we're looking for. That's mandatory, and that's just the starting point. But unfortunately, a lot of writers only focus on that one thing: is can I write something and can I write it well? And I understand why that would be a focus, and it's not meant to be discouraging to say you have to write but it is only kind of the bottom floor of what an agent is looking for. So